Hi, I'm David Kidd, National Sales Manager for Presta Products. Hey, we're here today to introduce one of our new products that we're launching. It's our Body Shop Safe dressing. It's an exterior dressing, and the name says it's all. It's Body Shop Safe, which simply means there's no silicone. Let me show you. Presta Body Shop Safe dressing is a long-lasting, water-based, silicone-free dressing. It's great for tires, exterior cladding, and engine compartments. For best results, always apply to a clean, dry surface. Apply to either an applicator pad or spray directly to the surface. This high-quality, economically priced dressing will not stain or yellow white walls and leaves a glossy protective shine. The ready-to-use formula is available in gallon or 22-ounce sizes. To learn more about Presta products and see more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and go to our social media.